Okay, today we'll be talking about developmental networks and gene expressions, and we'll use Star Wars and some of its characters as an example to create a developmental network and analyze how multiple different gene products interact together to lead to a certain expressed phenotype. So first we will look at our characters, and our characters will represent genes. So here we have R2-D2, who is a droid that Luke Skywalker's dad bought. We have Obi-Wan, who is an older Jedi. We have Luke Skywalker, who is the main protagonist. And we have Darth Vader, who is the main antagonist. So we'll look at our network and how these are all laid out intertwined together. So arrows represent activators, which will allow you to go from one step to the next. And T-bars represent repression or inactivation, and it will not allow you to go from one step to the next. So here we can see our outcomes. Outcomes represent phenotypes. So if Darth Vader is defeated, intergalactic peace will follow. If Darth Vader is not defeated, the Empire will follow. So first let's look at all wild type. So all wild type means all genes are free of mutations and are functioning properly. So here we have R2-D2, who is on his way to deliver a message to Obi-Wan, and Luke Skywalker is following him. So here Luke meets Obi-Wan, and Obi-Wan trains Luke in the ways of the Jedi. So as Luke is trained in the ways of Jedi, he battles Darth Vader and defeats Darth Vader. So our outcome or phenotype is intergalactic peace. Next, we can look at a single mutant. So a single mutant means we have a mutation to one gene and it does not function properly. So here R2-D2 is mutated, so his gene does not function properly, which means he will not travel and deliver the message and Luke to Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan will not train Luke. Therefore, Luke cannot defeat Darth Vader. So the end phenotype or outcome is the Empire. Lastly, we will look at a double mutant. Double mutant means two of our genes have mutations, and thus they cannot function properly. So here R2 is not muted, but Obi-Wan and Obi-Wan training Luke is mutated. So R2-D2 can try and come and find Luke. He's not going to be able to. And even if he could, Luke is still defective here. So the end product will be Darth Vader is not defeated. So therefore, the end product is the Empire. So lastly, let's dig a little deeper and look into the biology. So the R2-D2 gene activates transcription of the Obi-Wan gene. The Obi-Wan gene activates the transcription of the Luke Skywalker gene, and the Luke Skywalker gene represses the transcription of the Darth Vader gene. And here are my references.